So why don't I run through the quick product updates, and then I'll turn it over to Dennis.
Tonight's event was an opportunity to really talk about the new OQO product, taking advantage of the new faster VIA processor, faster EVDO networks, higher capacity disk drives, and lower price.
So when we talked to our customers, what they're really asking for was the ability to have the same performance levels that they have with a normal notebook computer when they're docked on their desk or when they're on the go. Also, having great battery life is very important. For this reason, we partnered with VIA Technologies, and today we're proud to announce the 1.6 gigahertz CPU. It's a VIA C7M processor that's now available in the Model 2 computer. What it means is that all the applications that are processor intensive are going to be faster and overall more responsive. And whether that means the latest web plugins, or if that means running Microsoft Office or some advanced enterprise application, SAP, Oracle, whatever it is you want to run on this device, it now is more responsive because it has much better performance. With a device like this that's ultra mobile, you don't want to have to go to a wireless hotspot to get online. You want to get online all the time wherever you are. We partnered with Verizon Wireless and Sprint with Model 2 and launched with EVDO Rev 0. Today we're announcing the availability of EVDO Rev A, which is the next generation of wireless mobile broadband. And what this means is much improved downstream, up to 1.4 megabits per second. It also means much improved upstream data rates that are almost symmetrical, so that now for applications that require sending data up to the network, for example, if you're uploading video content, or if you're doing voice over IP, video conferencing, any kind of advanced enterprise application, then you're really going to see some major benefits. In addition, EVDO Rev A has lower latency, so that also improves the overall experience. So really for me, there's no reason to connect to Wi-Fi anymore because I'm always online. Storage is critical because with an OQO, you want to have all of your video content and all of your music, and you might want to have large database files, all kinds of information with you all the time. And so we've announced today a 120 gigabyte hard drive for the first time in an ultra-mobile computer is now shipping. Secondly, there's a new technology that is now accessible for devices like this called flash storage. And with flash memory, we can now have a solid-state drive of 32 gigabytes that has a number of benefits for the Model 2. First off, it's much faster in read time. Actually, we're seeing 50% improvements or more in a variety of tasks. Application launch is much faster, boot time is much faster, and overall it feels like just a much more responsive machine. And secondly, because it's a solid-state drive, it has much better shock resistance. So if you drop it, it is really the most rugged and robust solution out there. Price points are something that is important to a lot of our customers, and we've heard this from many people. So first off, we've made the entry level of the product line much more accessible. The Model 2 is now available at only $1299. So for $1299, you can have a fully featured computer that you can put in your pocket and take with you wherever you go.
OQO is going to continue to maintain its lead in giving anytime and anywhere access to all your information and all your applications. We are the world's smallest and most useful Windows computer, running Windows XP and Windows Vista.